Welcome to Aksharashala. In this video, I want to give 10 practical tips for academic writing. These tips will help you in writing various articles for national and international journals. Every academic article is about a story from the beginning until the end. Make sure you have a consistent story throughout your article. Write in short and precise sentences. Use simple words. Bear in mind that your readers might not be a native English speaker. Science is already hard. Do not make it harder for people to understand. Always write in the present tense, even if you refer to a past study. For example, instead of writing Telugu Madhu et al. Found that, write simply Telugu Madhu et al. Find that. Always use active voice. Passive voice is like a crime in academic writing. It confuses the reader. Avoid the passive voice as much as possible. Never write paper, write study. For example, write this study finds that, not this paper finds that. When referring to any number below 10, use the textual form. For example, write 6, SIX, not 6. For each paragraph, make sure to start with a topic sentence and end with a transitional sentence to the next paragraph. In between topic sentence and transitional sentence, write detailed facts about the topic of the paragraph. Here, a topic sentence is a sentence that summarizes the main idea of a paragraph. Transitional sentences make an explicit connection between sentences and paragraphs. And try to avoid using pronouns like this to refer to an entire idea, because it is not always clear who or what this refers to. Do not repeat any information or facts throughout the article except for the conclusion. Mentioning a fact only once is sufficient. You are allowed to repeat what you have done and what you found only in the conclusion section. Always keep your paragraph justified and insert page number at bottom. Use a professional proofreader or at least Grammarly before submission to a journal. Finally, be careful of plagiarism. Academia has 0% tolerance for plagiarism. You may get away with publishing a plagiarized article for the time being, but eventually it will bring consequences in later years, and you might lose your job as well as your PhD degree. If you follow these 10 tips, you can develop article in a efficient manner. These tips will help you in writing articles. Now let me give some complementary tips. How to write abstract. An abstract summarizes usually in one paragraph of 300 words or less the major aspects of the entire paper in a prescribed sequence that includes the overall purpose of the study and the research problems you investigated. Abstract also includes the basic design of the study and major findings and trends found as a result of your analysis, and a brief summary of your interpretations and conclusions. Result section is where you report the findings of your study based upon the methodology or methodologies you applied to gather information. The results section should state the findings of the research arranged in a logical sequence without bias or interpretation. A section describing results is particularly necessary if your paper includes data generated from your own research. The conclusion is intended to help the reader understand why your research should matter to them after they have finished reading the paper. A conclusion is not merely a summary of the main topics covered or a restatement of your research problem, but a combination of key points and, if applicable, where you recommend new areas for future research. These recommendations will be a valid input to your followers. For most college level research papers, one or two well developed paragraphs is sufficient for a conclusion, although in some cases 3 or more paragraphs may be required. For further updates, please subscribe to Aksharshala. Thank you.